Hey there, food fans! Get ready to rock and roll with a recipe that'll set your taste buds on fire. We're diving headfirst into the fiery goodness of Firecracker Meatballs, a dish so packed with flavor it'll make you want to dance. These babies are the real deal, juicy, savory, and with a kick that'll clear your sinuses. Buckle up, because we're about to take your kitchen on a wild ride straight to Flavor Town. These meatballs ain't for the faint of heart, but don't worry. We'll show you how to control the heat. So grab your aprons and your hottest hot sauce, and let's get cooking. All right, ingredient check. Here's what you gotta round up to create these flavor bombs. Don't worry, most of these are probably already hanging out in your pantry. For the meatballs, 1 pound ground beef, the good stuff. Half a cup panko breadcrumbs, a 1/4 cup milk, 1 egg, beaten like it owes you money, a 1/4 cup chopped onion, super fine, 2 cloves garlic, minced so small you can barely see them, 1 teaspoon salt or more to taste, you do you, half a teaspoon black pepper, gotta love that fresh crack, a 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley for a little green action. For the firecracker sauce, half a cup ketchup, the backbone of our sauce, a 1/4 cup sriracha, oh yeah, that's the good stuff, 2 tablespoons soy sauce for that umami magic, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, a touch of sweetness to balance the heat, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, a little tang, never hurt nobody. Time to get those hands dirty and make some magic happen. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to meatball nirvana. 1. Preheat oven. Crank that oven up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Let's get that heat going. 2. Mix the meatball ingredients. In a large bowl, combine all the meatball ingredients. Use your hands to really get in there and mix it all up. We're talking full-on meatball massage here. 3. Form the meatballs. Roll the mixture into 1-inch meatballs. They should be nice and compact like little flavor grenades. 4. Brown the meatballs. Heat a large skillet over medium heat. Add a little oil, then brown those meatballs on all sides. We're not cooking them through here, just giving them a little sear for extra flavor. 5. Make the firecracker sauce. In a medium bowl, whisk together all the sauce ingredients until smooth and totally irresistible. 6. Assemble and bake. Place the browned meatballs in a baking dish. Pour that glorious firecracker sauce all over them, making sure they're all coated in that spicy goodness. 7. Bake to perfection. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the meatballs are cooked through and the sauce is bubbly and amazing. Heat control. Taming the firecracker or not. Now about that heat, some folks like it mild, some like it wild. Here's how to adjust the firecracker sauce to your liking. Mild, stick with the recipe as is. You'll get a nice kick, but nothing too crazy. Medium, add an extra tablespoon of sriracha. Super spicy. Double the sriracha, add a pinch of cayenne pepper, and maybe even a diced jalapeno if you're feeling really adventurous. Remember, you can always start with less spice and add more to taste. It's easier to add heat than to take it away. Game day, party time, anytime. Serving up your firecracker meatballs. These bad boys are ready to party. Here are a few ways to serve your firecracker meatballs. Over rice. Pile those meatballs high on a bed of fluffy white rice. The rice soaks up all that delicious sauce, making every bite a flavor explosion. Appetizer extravaganza, skewer those meatballs with toothpicks and serve them up as a fun and fiery appetizer. They'll be the stars of your next party, Slider Mania. Tuck those juicy meatballs into slider buns with a dollop of cool ranch dressing. It's a flavor combination that'll blow your mind. Lights out, flavor explosion in your mouth. There you have it, folks. Firecracker meatballs that are guaranteed to light up your life with flavor. They're easy to make, totally customizable, and so darn delicious, you'll be making them on repeat. So go on, get cooking, and prepare to experience flavor like never before. Don't forget to subscribe to Cast Iron Stovetop for more delicious recipes and cooking tips.